Oh, good morning, my dears on YouTube. Yeah, it's me, Jibril. I'm back. I know it has been a long time I didn't post a video or tutorial because I was destined to do a tutorial YouTube. Jibril learned with me, then I changed my name, but put it back. But as you know, it's not easy to make a goal, to accomplish a goal. It's a difficult. Many things will stop you. Yeah, I'm stuck by many things. But anyway, for here, today I'm presenting you my own project, Magic Mirror. Finally, I get to the end. What is a magic mirror? Yeah. But before I go forward, I would like to do this presentation also in French, in Italian, because I speak French and I speak Italian. Bonjour les amis, merci d'avoir retourné sur ma scène. Donc ça fait longtemps que je ne mettais pas de vidéos parce que, comme vous savez, c'est la vie. On a beaucoup de choses à faire, donc c'est ça. Aujourd'hui, je vous présente ici un projet qui s'appelle Magic Mirror. C'est un miroir, qui est un petit miroir, là où vous pouvez voir beaucoup de choses. Et vous pouvez aussi mettre beaucoup de choses. Buongiorno a tutti, sono io Jibril, tornato. Fa da tanto tempo che non ho messo un video su YouTube perché ovviamente, come sapete, c'è la vita, c'è tante cose da fare. Ma oggi ho deciso stamattina di presentarvi questo Magic Mirror qua, che è un specchio, smart specchio, al quale potete vedere tante cose, potete anche farlo diventare a tante cose. Ma io mi sono fermato qua perché il tempo è poco per me. Non andiamo purtroppo. Voglio continuare la presentazione in inglese, dopodiché torno in italiano, poi dopodiché torno in francese, come ovviamente ho deciso di farlo. Sempre dire tutto ciò che faccio in 3 lingue che parlo. Penso che sia utile anche a quelli che mi seguono. Capiranno. Okay, and now guys, I'm gonna give you details of this magic mirror quickly, and then I will move to Italian and I move to French to detail everything rapidly and post the video because I'm using my phone. You can see I'm recording this video with my phone. Anyway guys, what is the composition of this magic mirror? To set up a magic mirror, it's easy. Go to if you have a computer, you have to go. Oh, sorry, I did forget something. Ooh, strawberries. No, not strawberries. I can't. Guys, sorry. This is a Raspberry Pi, guys. You have it. First of all, you do need a Raspberry Pi. You do need a Raspberry Pi. And when you have a Raspberry Pi, you can go to the Raspberry Pi platform and you will see how to install, how to set up everything for Raspberry Pi. What is a Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a computer. It is a board computer, mini board computer for many projects like Arduino. There's a lot of mini board computers out there, but Arduino is a mini board computer microprocessor. Okay. Microcontroller. This is a microprocessor computer. This is a computer, a mini computer. You have a computer, guy. This is a first computer here. Okay, it can do anything you want. Like let me do this and show you something. Control M. You can see here it's a computer. You can play on it. You can go to the browser. You can do whatever. It's a computer. And it's a computer. You can do everything. You can do programming. You can do a lot of things. And ok, dicevo che per fare questo specchio, prima cosa che hai bisogno di un Raspberry Pi. Ma sinceramente in Italia tante persone conoscono Arduino, cioè Arduino è un microcontrollore anche. E come parliamo, questo è un computer, un piccolo computer, ha tutto ciò che ha il computer, ha il microprocessore, chip, tutto. Solo che per installarlo devi andare sul sito loro, che è Raspberry Pi, www.raspberrypi.org, e ti fanno vedere come installare. Con questo puoi fare un sacco di progetti. Beh, sì, se vuoi, ovviamente. Come vi ho detto, è un computer, quindi è un board computer. Poi ci sono un sacco di cose, cioè puoi andare anche qua, tipo andiamo a vedere la pagina del Raspberry Pi e così vediamo. Comme je disais, pour installer ces Magic Mirror, la première chose qu'on a besoin, on a besoin de cela, un Raspberry Pi, parce que Raspberry Pi, c'est quoi Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi, c'est un ordinateur, un petit ordinateur. Donc, www Raspberry Pi, pardon, Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Pi.org. Vous voyez, c'est un petit ordinateur. Vous pouvez faire beaucoup de choses avec. Seulement, il est différent Arduino parce qu'il y a beaucoup de gens qui connaissent Arduino. Tu vois, ici, c'est leur page. Tu vois. Vous pouvez apprendre beaucoup de choses d'électronique, comment installer Raspberry Pi, comment faire des projets. Vous pouvez faire beaucoup de choses avec cette petit ordinateur-là. Donc, moi, la chose que j'ai pu faire avec cette petite ordinateur, c'est de faire une projet de Magic Mirror, d'une miroir là où je peux voir tout. Donc, c'est cool. Il y a même le Magic Mirror, il y a même le Raspberry 4 qui est sorti. Il est très cool, le 4. Je pense que le 4, bah, l'unique chose qui est la différence, que ce Raspberry Pi n'a pas l'analog digital converter. This Raspberry Pi doesn't have an analog digital converter because it's not like Arduino. Arduino has an analog digital converter. And questo qua non ha l'analog digital converter che è DAC, che è ADC, non ha l'ADC, quindi se avete bisogno quello dovete mettere. Qua ci sono i pin, potete vedere i pin, il y a aussi les pins, vous pouvez voir tout. Donc je vais m'arrêter ici parce que le temps file, donc si je dis je vais expliquer tout en italien, en français, en anglais, ça prend du temps. I said that, guys, I have to stop here because if I said I will detail you everything here, okay, it's gonna take time for me and detail everything unlisted, and you can see it. Okay, I did this Magic Mirror. The platform is made by a monitor. You can see here a monitor with some globes and woods, and I blocked the monitor to not fall out. And j'ai bloqué ce monitor ici avec de colle, avec ces petites bois ici che j'ai trouvé. C'est un collega. Questi pezzettini di legno l'ho bloccato con colla il monitor perché è fatto di un monitor dietro e dietro il vetro. L'ho trovato il legno grazie a un mio collega che si chiama Antonello, che sta di qua, che mi ha aiutato a fare la misura. E poi ho comprato questo firmware qua per renderlo proprio specchio, perché prima non era specchio, era un vetro che non potevi vedere te stesso. Then I bought this film on Amazon, guys, and then I make it because first was a piece of glass, then you can see yourself behind. Now you cannot see yourself, and now you can see yourself. Okay, let's do this, guys. I'm gonna type the command cd, and I'm gonna type the cd. As I'm using one hand, it's difficult for me. Cd, I'm gonna enter to my Magic Mirror folder. Magic cd, Magic Magic Mirror, Magic Mirror. Okay, I'm gonna say type npm start start, and now this gonna start my Magic Mirror, and everything will show out like usual. Ok, là je tapais des commandes comme comment faire sortir mon Magic Mirror. Vous voyez maintenant c'est devenu noir. Là il va apparaître ce miroir. Vous me voyez, je suis dans le miroir. Donc questo che ho inserito nel comando del terminal è come farlo riapparire questa applicazione, che diventa, perché potete vedere che mi vedo come un specchio, ovviamente un specchio smart mirror dove puoi vedere. Quindi io l'applicazione, the models that I installed, I'm gonna go with English, pardon. The model that I installed here is the water. I do have the weather models and the weather modules and the calendar models. And down here also I have a model that is a coronavirus model. And here also I have a finance model table and coronavirus model tables. Okay, and down here on top the bottom you can see the news running and how to co-workers build and any kind of news. And here to say enjoy your day. Yeah, that's all. It's a magic mirror, guys. Alors, tout cela, comme vous voyez, je disais, les applications que je peux installer là-dessus, ce sont les applications du temps que moi j'ai besoin de tout. Il y a, il y a la température de cette côté, il y a j'ai le calendrier de cette côté, et en bas, j'ai aussi les news qui circulent en bas. Donc ici, j'ai aussi table de coronavirus, comme vous savez, on est temps de coronavirus pour voir comment il y a les maladies qui se passent. Donc pour installer tout cela, vous pouvez partir, il y a un site qui s'appelle www.magicmirror2 qui s'appelle www.magicmirror2.com et ils vont vous montrer tous les détails comment vous pouvez l'installer. Si vous me permettez, je vais aller rapide vous le faire montrer. I'm going to show you guys where you're going to go, where you have to go to install your magic mirror, and you can go to potete andare in questo sito qua, sto dicendo il sito dove andate, poi in italiano vi spiego ovviamente Magic Mirror. Se mettete Magic Mirror qua e vi fa apparire il sito dove dovete andare a vedere tutto, diciamo, tutte le spiegazioni come installarlo, questo sito qua. This is their website, guys. This is the website where you have to go. And here you can see the description. Okay, here there is everything. Qua sta tutto. Per l'installazione, documento, here doc Magic Mirror Building, cliccate in questo link e vi farò vedere tutti i dettagli come andate passo per passo. Però non è che passo per passo, quindi ci vuole anche conoscenza di saperlo, se no altrimenti no. I moduli sono qua, potete dopodiché andare a cercare un modulo, installarvi, ci sono un sacco di moduli, quindi anche la voce potete mettere in questo specchio smart che parla anche, però io non ho avuto tempo a farlo parlare, quindi il mio tempo è poco tra lavoro e vita, quindi mi sto dedicando pochissimo a queste cose, sinceramente. Quindi je disais, vous pouvez aller ici, vous pouvez trouver toutes les explications. Malheureusement, le site, c'est en anglais. Donc, si vous ne comprenez pas l'anglais, c'est difficile. Aussi, vous pouvez changer la langue, je crois. Je crois qu'il y a une manière de changer. Je sais pas. Je crois il y a une manière de la changer. Non, je crois pas. Ça dépend comment vous êtes rentré. Il y a une manière de changer quand même. I was saying, guys, this is the website where you have to go and find everything, the models. You can see the modeler and find many modelers. The models are here, and the documents and community. There is also the community and open source with the GitHub, and you can install your Magic Mirror freely. And with a Raspberry Pi, everything will be cool, and you do have your Magic Mirror running. And if we come back here, and I'm gonna say here to my Magic Mirror, and you can see this is the Magic Mirror. And here I do have these models, coronavirus model table down here. I can see how it is spreading around the world: US, Spain, Italy, and China. Also Argentina. I do choose Argentina because I'm interested in Argentina. And the Lady Gaga's Chromatic is here. Let's discuss the Lady Gaga Chromatic. What is it? No, I don't like to discuss what Lady Gaga Chromatic or what I'm gonna do with it. It's not my matter business. I got to mind my business. Anyway, guys, on this side, I do have a side of the calendar side, and I can see the dates and time running. And here I do have the weather forecast. Bari, Bari is a city of Italy, and do here down here, I'm interested on finance. I do have a table finance down here. I'm interested on the stock market, as you know. Sono un ragazzo sveglio, come dicono gli italiani, no? Yeah, I'm like that, guys. Anyway, guys, now I'm gonna stop this video because it's a long-term video. I don't know if I'm gonna find someone who's gonna watch this video because this video taking too much time. I won't. Okay, anyway, guys, I speed too much. Then here you can say, here it says, hey there, you look sexy. How was your sleep? Yeah, you can also communicate with this magic mirror. But the one thing that I didn't finish, is to put a voice on this magic mirror, like Alexa voice, like Amazon, Google Assistant voice. I didn't find a way how to put this Google Assistant and Alexa on this Raspberry Pi. By anyway, because I'm not dedicating too much my time on doing this such a thing, because as you know, it has been a long time I didn't post a video. But I will be back. I'm trying, really. I will be back because I want to stop. I'm a type of person who learn on himself. I do work on myself. That I mean, I work on myself. I study by myself. Everything I learned it by myself. I go and I do research and I find thing. Then I made it. Okay, then I will be back, guys. It's me, Jabril. And don't forget one thing I didn't tell you. You do need a keyboard because anyway, if you don't have the keyboard, you can also use your laptop using VNC. VNC is where you can interface with Raspberry Pi on your laptop. Just you got to type some few things. Now I cannot show you because my laptop is over there, and yeah, it's morning here in Italy. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching. Merci de l'avoir regardé. Je crois que j'ai expliqué tout en français, peut-être parce que des fois je rate le français. C'est pas que oui, je suis né un peu colonisateur française. Ben, c'est pas bon que je parle parce que je viens de l'Afrique, donc je viens d'Italie. C'est pour cela aussi je parle italien. Pas seulement pas italien, je parle aussi un peu d'espagnol. Ah, j'aime parler les langues quand même. Je parle beaucoup de langues. J'espère que ça vous a plu. Abonnez-vous et laissez-moi des commentaires. Dites-moi comment ça a été. Donc, c'est tout ça. Grazie per aver guardato il video. Abbonatevi sul canale. Lasciatemi dei commenti, qualsiasi cosa che volete. Vi risponderò. Comunque, questo è tutto. È il progetto. Poi vediamo. Gracias. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you comment this and make sure that you push that button, the thumbs button like this, and make sure the button like this, not the thumb, not this one. I'm kidding. Anyway, make sure guys you do subscribe, and if you're new on my channel, and I will be back. Really, I will get my channel back one day. I hope I will have more subscriber. Yeah, inshallah. I'm working on it. Just I have to find time, guys. Yeah, it's cool. How do I look, guys? I look cool. I look beauty. I do look handsome, like my magic mirror said. Yeah. Enjoy your day. Thank you, Magic Mirror. Magic Mirror wish everybody to enjoy the days. And guy, enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. Peace is Jabril. Bye bye, guys. Love you.